getting on here to share some more information about mortgage programs. So recently you've been hearing all of this news about new programs launching, and it's so interesting to see the things that are being offered out here. So Bank of America launched a loan, but we had a response from Legacy Home Loans. The CEO, Ben Slayton, created a special purpose program for African American borrowers specifically to help to close the wealth gap. In this particular loan program, borrowers will be able to put down just 1% in a down payment. This credit score is lowered to 620 because, you know, since COVID, the credit score has been 640 and above. So the minimum credit score will be 640. And then other things like your on-time rent payments, as well as auto loan payments, auto insurance, utilities, all of these on-time payments will be considered as a part of your pre-qualification. So that's a wonderful concept to help open the door to home ownership for many. And as you know, a home is usually the foundation of one's financial portfolio. So what that means is the value and the equity appreciating in your home performs much faster than any other financial vehicle. And so owning a home will set you, your family, and your generations ahead financially than those who rent. And oftentimes in the African American community, our net worth is about $200,000 less than our counterparts, and that can be encompassed in home ownership. And so it's a lot more history lesson to that in terms of why there is a racial wealth gap. But in the present, what we're doing to resolve that is home ownership. We're talking businesses, we're talking insurance, we're talking knowledge and implementation of a healthy financial profile as people develop throughout their lives. And so we introduced this 1% program, and I got to thinking about some of the tools that I already offer. Now, there are other videos that I can link down below in the description. For example, there's a video by my mentor, Kiana Watson. She has a podcast called Rants and Gems, and it's on the Earn Your Leisure channel. And they discussed it because they were able to interview Ben Slayton, the CEO of Legacy Home Loans, and he shared more about the program. But it also got me to thinking about some of the programs that my lenders offer, what tools are in my hands as a savvy realtor, and how I've helped my clients in the past and how I can help my clients in the future. And it's so interesting to me, this 1% home loan is very empowering. However, my clients right now are participating in 100% conventional financing, in which the program allows for my clients to enter into the market with 0% down as a down payment. The closing costs are still charged, but we can negotiate up to 6% of the purchase price of the home for seller concessions. And we're at a time in the market where sellers are willing to negotiate. Also, during the process of purchasing a home, there are opportunities in which you can talk about getting repairs and customizations and things done. And these are avenues where a negotiation expert like myself can help you to save some money. But additionally, these programs allow for you to kind of get in there and purchase your home. So I have a 0% down conventional loan program that works really well. Also for professionals, I have a program with one of my lenders where he offers 2.5% lender credit as well as free ADT home monitoring. And then my partnership allows me to offer my clients a $500 up to $500 value in home inspection. And so sometimes the home inspection in the base covers the inside and exterior of the home, but let's just say you want an arborist inspection, or you need to, according to the recommendations of the inspector, have a professional licensed electrician or plumber to come out as well. So up to $500 will be covered by my company. And so this program, still gives you the 3.5%, but with lender credit of 2.5%, that decreases your down payment significantly. Also, lender credit and seller closing cost contributions can be used to buy down your interest rate. And so how that's significant is that you can save money every month with a savvy realtor like myself helping you to procure your home and negotiate your way through the purchase process. So those are just a few things on my mind that I wanted to share with you guys. Those are my most premier lenders, but some of my other lenders work with down payment assistance programs throughout the metro area, from Invest Atlanta to Atlanta Housing Authority. These programs offer $20,000 and $25,000 for first-time home buyers in a certain vicinity of the city. There are income limitation requirements, and so in this regard, if you earn above a certain amount for your household size, you won't qualify for the down payment assistance grant. So in these instances, you go with, say, a 3.5% conventional loan on, say, $300,000 might be, $14,000 altogether. You'll have this $25,000 that will help you with your down payment and closing cost assistance. Again, there's also a couple of other down payment assistance programs that you can tap into. And so with that being said, I just wanted to let you know that there are programs out here that can help anyone to purchase a home where your resources are stretched, whether that be saving in advance, whether that be knowing that you don't have much for a down payment, or otherwise. Just talk to me. Share with me what your goals are, what your needs are, and let's get you pre-approved or pre-qualified for a loan so that we can begin to create a financial plan and strategically look ahead and create an action plan toward home ownership. Now, I look forward to helping you prosper and making this a successful and smooth transition for you, purchasing a home here in the Atlanta area. And I also work with sellers. I have many resources for sellers. And so I am so excited to just be of assistance. I'm starting to really feel what the definition of the position of agent is. And what that means to me is that I'm helping people. I'm giving people resources. I'm connecting them in areas. I'm educating them and guiding them, much like a sports agent would manage an athlete and give them the right advice, the right direction for them to use training and to build their skill level and to give them options. I am a real estate agent, much like that, where I'm going to give you direction, guidance. I'm going to connect you with resources to help you maximize your experience buying or selling a home in the Atlanta area, as well as anywhere else that I might be called to work and to sell real estate, sell property. So I look forward to talking with you. If you have any questions or you need any assistance in purchasing a home, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Latrice Golson. I'm here in the Atlanta area. You can find me at www.unlockatlanta.com.